Hey there, welcome to Tool Zone, your go-to spot for truly satisfying craftsmanship. Today we've gathered an epic selection of clips where skilled pros execute each task with absolute mastery. Every movement is calculated, every detail flawless. Let's dive into these perfect moments together. Solid wood boards are precisely cut to equal lengths. Who knew a watermelon could double as a canvas? It takes time and a lot of patience, but the masterpieces created on its surface are nothing short of amazing. No chainsaw, no problem. Just bring persistence, creativity, and hands that aren't afraid of real effort. Manual sawing might be old school, but it's oddly satisfying to watch. You could stare at it for hours. With just a call, the birds flock to her. It's as if she's their chosen leader. Her connection with them is nothing short of magical. Burning feathers onto hot plates? That's one unique and artistic twist. A pipe bursts into a movie-worthy fountain, and the worker jumps in to fix it, soaked but unstoppable. Total hero move. If a flawless lawn is your dream, this machine is your new best friend. Efficiency, ease, and impressive results. What more could you want? Getting a motorcycle out of a deep pit? No problem. If you've got nerves of steel and a solid grasp of physics, he's not just writing, he's crafting motion into art. You can't look away. This worker paints the wall with such speed and precision, a real pro at work. Building a sandcastle isn't child's play. It takes precision like a jeweler, patience like a monk, and nerves of steel. But the result? It looks less like sand and more like it was sculpted by a wizard. Laying down a new stadium surface is like rolling out an enormous carpet. Only instead of hands, massive machines do the work. They move in perfect coordination, leaving behind a flawless layer where future records will be set. A failed painter? Hardly. More like someone who chose a tougher canvas. Walls, facades, furniture. His brush is a tool, his paints are building materials, and the final result, a true masterpiece. If fishing is supposed to be relaxing, something definitely went off script here. The rod's bending like there's a shark on the line, and it looks like the fisherman might take a swim before the fish hits the shore. A stencil is used to imprint a wood grain pattern, replicating the natural texture of wood. Here's how it all comes together. Stickers and labels are gathered, neatly packed, and shipped straight to the supermarket shelves. Every step is fine-tuned for your smooth shopping experience. The builder here deserves serious respect. Wall construction takes more than muscle. It requires finesse, and he nails it with absolute professionalism. Now that's what flawless mortar application looks like. In just seconds, it's all clean, smooth, and precise. It's amazing how fast and skillfully it's done. He peels an orange with such lightning-fast precision, it's hard to look away. And yes, he can do it with any fruit. That's true mastery. Turning old jewelry into gold bars. Surprisingly satisfying to watch. Gold just has a way of looking magical at every stage. Feeding and cleaning up after livestock might sound routine, until you watch it at double speed. Suddenly it's a full-on farm performance. This guy clearly has impressive spatial awareness. Just look at his approach. Crafting something by hand gives your space a unique personality. With a bit of effort and the right tools, your home can become a true reflection of your creativity. At first, the method might seem unorthodox, but the outcome is striking. Bold, stylish, and modern. Sometimes breaking away from the usual path leads to the most original results. With the help of a mold, it's possible to produce perfectly shaped components with impressive accuracy. I don't know about you, but I'm completely captivated by this. Safety protocols? Looks like they didn't get the memo. These elegant curves add a special character to the wall. Modern art isn't for everyone, but if it makes you feel something, it's already doing its job. When flames erupt on a plane, this mechanical beast rolls in like a true hero. With a single powerful blast, the water sweeps the fire away like dust. Fast, precise, and absolutely spectacular. This is the kind of work that brings peace to your soul. Crafting such pieces isn't just about skill, it's about fully enjoying every moment of the process. True artistry.